Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the trend of the Polaroid camera. So let's go. So on funimate, so you're gonna get any photo. It doesn't really matter, because we are already gonna slide it off the frame itself, and then pick the color that we want as the background. Any color, it doesn't really matter. For me, I'm gonna pick this one. So. Yeah, oh wait, I don't know, but this one, now that you pick the color that you want, of course you're gonna make it bigger, something like that. And then you're gonna add and make, image slash photo and get the Polaroid. So the Polaroid has to be clear without any background. If you want to know how to get it, just, I'll tell you how. Now that we did that, we are gonna make another one, but this one we're gonna get the card and make it as big as it's supposed to be. Make it behind the Polaroid. Behind the Polaroid. Now that we did that, we're gonna make it go under the thingy, and then animate, custom, and then now that we did that, we are just gonna get the photo that we want, so image slash video, and we're gonna put the photo that we want. I don't really know, but I'm gonna use this one. I don't know, because I like it. So the photo is under the Polaroid and the card itself. And then we're just gonna crop it. Now that we did that, we are okay. Now that we did that, we are gonna make it go down all the way. Animation, custom. So mine isn't perfect, so I'm gonna redo it. Okay, so I kinda did it, I don't know. And here you go. That's mine, and that's how I did it. And it's free. So I can just save it. It's free, because we didn't use any effects. Here it is. Yeah.